Okay, the final mini demo is for a promo video. Let's start by adding an animation scene. Then another one. And then one more. You'll notice that it built a timeline. If you check the Show Scene preview here, and then if you click on each scene like this, you'll see a preview appear on each one accordingly. Now let's edit each scene, simply by clicking on the scene and dragging the bottom slider bar to the point we want to edit. You'll see hotspots for text, images, and videos appearing on the stage. To edit these, just click on their corresponding hotspots. Let's click on the text hotspot. As you can see here, we can change the words, text font, style, size, and color. Cool, right? Let's just change the text for now and click OK. Now let's add an image like this. Click on the image hotspot and select an image. Perfect. You can also adjust the image size here, like this. On the left side here, you can see multiple layers corresponding to each text, image, and video on the stage. You can hide or show each of those here, or remove them from the stage. Okay, let's jump further. Click on the second scene and add a background video this time. Let's see. This one's perfect. Let's check how it looks. Good. Now to the last one. We'll just add a new logo here. Okay, great. Now for the final part, let's add some cool transitions between the scenes. Here, here, and preview time. Boom. That's it. Right in front of you, you can see how easy it is to make a powerful, highly engaging promo video. Just like you saw me build it in front of your eyes in a bit over a minute, anyone can do it, simply by selecting and filling in the blanks. Simple, easy to use, and no tech skills required.